Hello students, yesterday we have studied about increasing the soil fertility. That is the usefulness of microorganism, or we can say that is how microorganisms are helpful to us. Now today we will study about the next topic, that is cleaning the environment. That is cleaning the environment. Can you guess how environments are helpful in cleaning our environment? How microorganisms are helpful in cleaning our environment? So, first of all, when we excrete, when we do any work, we do some waste, we produce some waste. So, that waste, that may be feces, urine, biological waste, etc. So these waste, when we create these waste, are creating a lot of garbage, and how these bacteria or these microorganisms are helping to us for cleaning the environment from these things. So today we will study about that. So for the decomposition of these waste, that can be used as a landfill for the ground. So when these are used as landfill, used as landfills, and after the landfills, the microorganism decomposed, and when it is decomposed, the nutrients are mixed with the soil and it will make the soil fertile. Second thing, when these waste are reused, then when these waste are converted into nutrients, the soil get fertile, but our environment will also get cleanliness from these type of garbage. This was the first thing that we have to notice. Second thing, in some countries, in some countries like India and China. In some countries like India and China, these waste can be used as a biogas plant, and it will create methane gas that can be used for generating this electricity, that can be used for some other purposes. So these phases, these urines or these biological waste can be treated as landfills for returning the nutrients, or it can be treated as biogas plant, as biogas plant for energy purpose. Energy purpose. Okay, so this was the use of microorganism for cleaning the environment. I think this topic is understood. So students, that was cleaning the environment, and after that there is commercial use of microorganism. Commercial uses of microorganism. You can understand that. So before this we were studying about some specific characteristics. Now we will study about the commercial use, how we are using the microorganism for the business purpose, for our commercial use, commercial sector, business purpose, or you can say how to get money from them. So for it carries many points. We will study about them. First one is fermentation. Fermentation. Many of you have seen or eaten idli or cake. You also have eaten. Many of you have seen someone drinking alcohol. Have you imagined how it happens? How that batter of rice becomes so fluffy? How that batter of flour becomes so fluffy to make cake? Have you imagined any time? That's all because of this microorganism, and that process is called fermentation. When some bacteria or when some yeast, fungi get fermented, then it creates alcohol. So here we can write, for example, in fermentation, alcohol. Next, idli, cake, etc. So these are the some examples that are used in which fermentation is used, and in fermentation there are many types of microorganisms used for making it fluffiness or for making it so much useful for us for getting some money. This was fermentation. Second thing is retting of fibers. Retting of fibers. Now, what do you mean by this retting? What does it mean? Have you seen jute, the jute sacks that you are getting in market? How that jute is produced? That jute is produced because of the retting of jute plants. When we have to get jute material, yeah, jute fiber, then we take some jute plants and let it be in water for some time, and when the jute plant is in water, the bacteria act on that and release its fiber, unwind its fiber, and that process is known as retting. You can say the retting is a process in which the jute fiber is released from the jute plants, and that in that retting of fibers there is a lot of use of microorganism, or you can say especially bacteria are useful in that. So this one you understood. Next one is after retting of fibers, here it will be any guesses? No. Okay, here it will be making antibiotics. Making antibiotics. Now after this we have done retting of fiber, means how the fibers are unwinded. Now after that, making of antibiotics. There are many antibiotics present in our market, and that are made because of the microorganism. When we are having any disease that is caused by any microorganism, the antibiotic of that disease, or you can say the antidote of that disease, that particular disease caused by any microorganism, can be made or can be cured because of the antibiotics made by the same category microorganism. So these were the some specific topics under the uses of commercial uses of microorganism, and after that there is food industry that contains a lot of topics. We will discuss that later. Thank you, class.